In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Vimeo player and why you should. Whether you're a creator aiming to enhance your brand, or someone looking to offer viewers a seamless streaming experience, customizing your Vimeo player is a great step forward. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to make these changes effectively, adding a unique touch that reflects your personal or business brand. First things first, head over to the Vimeo website and log into your account. If you're not already a member, you'll want to create an account, but assuming you already have one, let's keep moving forward. Once logged in, you'll see your profile icon, usually at the top right of the screen. Click on it and navigate your way to Settings. This is where the magic begins, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Settings menu. Under the Video Settings tab, you'll find a variety of options that you can adjust, tailored specifically for your videos. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first with all the choices, but don't worry, we'll walk through them together. One of the first things you'll notice is the App Defaults section. Here you can choose default behaviors for your videos. Take the time to explore each setting to see what suits your needs best. Next, consider how privacy settings might be adjusted. Vimeo provides robust options to control who can see your videos, which is particularly useful if you're managing content for a business or private group. From here, you'll also be able to set privacy controls that are crucial for audience management and video exclusivity. Moving on, take a look at the comments and embed presets. Changing these allows you to moderate interactions and the design of your embedded player. Perhaps you're looking to alter colors to match your corporate palette, or maybe you need to upload your logo for consistency across platforms. In the Embed Presets section, you also have the opportunity to opt for domain level privacy, capture email addresses for building newsletters, and more. These settings help tailor the viewing experience to your audience's needs while fortifying your brand presence. Now let's talk about the player logos. If you're looking to add custom logos to your embedded video player, this is where you do it. It's an excellent way to enhance brand visibility and create a uniform look across all media outlets where your content is shared. So why should you go to all this effort to customize? For one, it aids branding. Aligning your player's visuals with your brand's colors, logos, and fonts can make a big impact. It also provides a better viewer experience. By adjusting settings, you can ensure a smoother, more personalized viewing experience, which elevates your videos to a professional standard. Moreover, customization reduces distractions by hiding unnecessary controls, allowing viewers to focus purely on your content. In short, customizing your Vimeo player enriches both your brand identity and your audience's overall viewing experience. And there you have it, a clear path on how to customize your Vimeo player to enhance branding and improve viewer interaction.